making perfume. I went to another market today. The cost of underrated perfume oil was something else, but I'm happy I got the best. Actually, giving my customers the best is my happiness, because when somebody buy from you and use it and it's fine, it will come again next time. So I have different type of perfume here. Each can like this have 2 perfume inside. As I said, please don't use 1 perfume for your body perfume, use 2 or 3. But do you know that this thing like this is more than 20,000? Just one like this. Let's go there. This is my mixing rubber. I have 50 ml, so I will add the 50 ml inside. I'll add 50 ml inside. I'll add ethanol. As I said, please always use ethanol, don't use methanol. I'll add 50 ml of ethanol. Then this is my ethanol. Then I will add just a drop of PJ. Please, just a drop, so your perfume will not be crowded. Just a drop. It's a drop of perfume improver. Just a drop, please. If you add much, your perfume will look crowded. Just a drop is okay. Then I will cover. The perfume improver will just help your perfume to last. It will help your perfume to last. So cover and shake very well before you transfer into the bottle, perfume bottle. This is the perfume bottle I will use. This one I'm doing is for female, so this is the perfume bottle I will use. Alright, see you guys. Our perfume inside the bottle now. So this is the bottle we are using for this one. I'm putting it inside. Still have small one left. Where me and my children are doing the dango. Put small now. Put small one improver. Then I'll shake it back. I'm tired, that's why I'm sitting. I'm very tired. I still have bar soap to do this night. God help me. This can is 30 ml and 20 ml, but if it's 50 ml, it's only 2 I will use. When you finish putting it, please couple it back. See this for perfume. Something else. This scent is out of this world.